Hi, my name is Paddy Springford from Tether, and I'm here to take you through the setup of your Sigfox gateway. The device is used to repeat the signal from the EnviroQs to send back to our Tether platform. When you open the box, you will see a Sigfox gateway and a power via Ethernet cable. Before you continue, make sure you download the Tether app, which you can do via our handy QR code here. To add the gateway to the Tether platform, click Add Device in the Tether app and follow the prompts via the app. Next, we have to ensure the power supply is plugged in to an available plug socket. On the other side of this cord, you'll see two Ethernet connections. One will say, plug this into internet. This is only for non-4G versions of the gateway. Your version will be 4G enabled, so you can ignore this cable. Plug the other cord into the gateway. You may need to wait a couple minutes for the gateway to configure before you start to see your EnviroQs. That's it. It's that simple. Thanks for listening, and thanks for choosing Tether.